building sustainable relationships. Here's the thing, it takes work. You can't do it and walk away from it and expect someone else to own it. Whether it's digitally on a LinkedIn platform, whether it's a text message, whether it's having coffee occasionally with someone. I will tell you my own experience, when I was starting my career, I didn't really even think it was important to network. I was this young engineer, had a lot of projects, right? I got a lot of work to do. I can't have coffee with someone. I can't go have lunch. There's no time, right? A lot of us will probably think that way. The default might be, yeah, two things. One, I don't have time for that. Second one is, yeah, but I don't want to waste their time. Those are the two easy cop-outs for not building a network and building relationships. I will tell you, I learned over time, especially as I became a leader, the importance of the relationships and that it was something that takes work. So I then started to look at it very differently. It wasn't, oh, I'm going to be wasting someone else's time. I was like, you know what? I would be that person that would want to help somebody else. So why wouldn't they want to help me?